Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 9th Maths NCERT Chapter 1 Number Systems. Today we will study operations on real numbers. Let's take two rational numbers. Here we have taken 2 and then 1 upon 2. Both are rational numbers. So when we do addition, what we will get? When you are adding 2 with this, we will get 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, then 2. So 5 upon 2, which is 5 upon 2 we get. So which is a rational number. Then if we are subtracting, then what do we get? If we are subtracting, then 2 2s are 4, minus 1, 2. So 3 upon 2. Again, 3 upon 2 is also a rational. Now, if you are multiplying, then what will get? 2 when you multiply. 2 2s are, when you will multiply, you also can cut this and we will get 1. So our answer will be 1. So this is also a rational. And then if we are dividing, 2, then what we will get? Can write down this way. So this will come up. This when comes up, it will become like this. So then what we will get? 2 2s are 4. This is what we will get. So this can be written as 4. So again, 4 is a rational number. So by this, what do we conclude? We conclude that when a rational number we add or subtract or multiply or divide except 0 with another rational, then we will get rational number. So you saw here the operation when we perform, answer comes in rational number. So rational with rational, you get rational. So now let's take another. Let's take one rational with an irrational number. So we have taken one rational number, one irrational number, and the value is given here for root 2. It's already the experts have found out. So let's see what we will get. So with rational and irrational. So what will be our answer? You have to put in this place a value of this. So when you are adding, 2 with root 2 value is given to us, that is 1.41421. That is 2 if you are adding. 2 we are adding with 1.41421. So what we will get when you are adding? We'll get 1, 2, 4, 1, 3. So we get 3.41421 and it will go on. So this is an irrational. Same way, if you are subtracting 2 with a 2. So we are subtracting now 2. So can be written like this with the root 2. Root 2 value is 41421. So it goes on. So we are subtracting. So we have to borrow here 1. So it will become 10. Then it will borrow. So this will be 10. Then when borrow, it will give this side because it is an irrational. It goes on. So when it is given this side, then here we will have 9. So 9 minus 1, we will get 8. Here also will be 9. So 9 minus 2, 7. Here will be 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 1, 8. Here also will be 9 because it is given here. So 9 minus 4, again 5. Here already 1 is given. So we'll get 0. So what we will have here? 0.58578, which is also an irrational. Now if we are multiplying now 2 with a root 2, again 2 you are multiplying with the root 2 value is 1.41421. So what we will get? So we will be multiplying from here. It is an irrational number. So we will get 2 2s are 1, 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 8 and 2. So we will be getting 2.82842 and so on. So this is also an irrational. So then if you are dividing root 2 with 2, rational with an irrational, then what we will get? This can be written like this. Now we are dividing this, right? So we have to divide. That means root. This is what will come. So 2, this also can be written this way, because you know that root square, the square will go, then we will get 2. So it is, so this can be written as a root 2 into root 2. So when you are getting cancel, what will be answer? We will get root 2 again will get it. This has no value. So again we will get root 2, which is also an irrational. Root 2 value is 1.4121 goes on. So again it is an irrational. So with this, what do we learn? Rational, when you add or subtract or multiply or divide with an irrational, we get the answer all in irrational. Now let's come to see irrational with an irrational. What do we get? So when you are adding root 2 with root 2, so when you are adding root 2 with root 2, one time here, one time, that means 2 times we have root 2. So this also can be written as this way. So can we write this 2 times root 2? So this is as an irrational. Now when you are subtracting root 2 with root 2, we will get 0. So 0 can be a rational. Now when you are multiplying, again root 2 into root 2, multiplication, what happens? Root 2, when you are multiplying with root 2, it becomes a square. Root 2 becomes square. So we can remove square, we get 2. So it can be written as 2, which is also a rational. Now when we are dividing root 2 with root 2, get cancelled, so we will get 1, which is also a rational. Now same way, if we are calculating this, we will get answer 8 by when you are dividing with root 3. This can be written like this: 8, 5 can be written. So it is it is 8 root 15. So 8 root 15. So it can be written like this: 8, 15 can be written 3 into 5. And so what we will get? 8 root 3. This also can be written separately, root 5, and then 2 root 3. So 2 times 4 times 8 will come. So we will end up 1 times. Okay, so this is 8 times root 3, here 2 times root 3. So when we are dividing, we will get 4 root 5. So 4 root 5, which is an irrational. So what do we conclude with this? We conclude that when with irrational you add or subtract, multiply or divide with an irrational, we get rational or irrational. So the summary of it, all that you have to remember is a rational with rational, you will get rational. A rational with irrational, you will get irrational, and irrational with irrational, you will get either rational or irrational. This is what you have to remember. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.